name is Jeff. The date of this recording is Wednesday the 17th of October. I'm a technician in the operations team at Wonks, and in this how-to video, I will explain the features and metrics of the audience overview for Google Analytics. I would like to thank WeSubdivide, whose account I am using. Go to wesubdivide.com to find out more about their services. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to explain the audience overview window within Google Analytics. This window allows us to see the default information about users to your website. Ideally, you will have already watched the video on how to log in to Google Analytics, so I'm going to assume that you have already logged in. On the left-hand side navigation, you will find Audience, and below that, the Overview tab. I have selected a date range, the 1st of July to the 7th of July, 2018, which will give me metrics for that time window. You'll see that I have the ability to see the trend graph over the week, and I can hover over each of the days. So on Monday, there were 18 users, 16 on Tuesday, through to the Saturday where there were only 10. You can, of course, extend out the date range if you would like to see how a longer trend path looks for you. However, for the purposes of the video today, we're only looking at 7 days. So there are a series of metrics that are available to me: users, new users, sessions, number of sessions, page views, pages per session, average session duration, and bounce rate. I will now go through each of those so that you understand what they are and how they can help you. I'm not going to go through each of those. Whoever does this video is obviously going to go through those, but you knowing what that information is important to you when you record the video. Moving on. You'll see that there is a pie graph, which allows me to see the percentage of new visitors versus those that are returning users. A little bit further down the page is some demographic information that I can toggle. So I can look at the country, top cities, and the default was language. These are predicated by the browser settings that a user to the website has. You can also see some system and mobile information. Those pieces of information are also found in the left-hand navigation. I'm just going to segment the users against those that are coming to the site that are from an organic traffic source. So I've clicked on the segment, add a segment, and I've found the one I want, so organic traffic, and I'm going to apply it. And you will see that it gives me a second set of metrics below the all website metrics. So all users were 95 in this time period, but only 21 of those users came from Google Organic. And you will see for each of the metrics, there is a secondary metric for just organic traffic, the same as it is for new versus returning. If you want to, you can do a lot more with segments. For now, the purpose of the how-to guide was to explain the audience overview information. I hope that this has been a useful how-to for you and that you have taken away some useful tips. I do recommend that you look at some of the other how-to guides that are on the Wonks website. If you have any further questions, please use our website to fill in a request form, and we will endeavor to create a how-to guide for the Google product that you want to know more about. Have a great day.